Hi guys, until we have did it our process of restart our computer, we are going to have the next steps. We need go to the base manager, or in Spanish is administrador de dispositivos. We need go to click on that. So like you can see, I have my USB ASP driver connected. Sorry, my computer has recognized my USB ASP driver. Okay, we have to connect or plug our driver in our computer. So you are going to have something like this, because the first time that you plug your USB driver, your computer doesn't going to recognize your USB. So you are going to have something like this. You are going to have one yellow triangle, and then you only need to click on the USB in that. For example, if you have for example, if my driver was this one, I'm going to go to right click on that, and I'm going to click on actualize device. But in our case, we're going to need to go to when we have our driver, like I say, you're going to have something like this. But we are going to have to actualize device, and you're going to go to find software. Okay, it says that Windows can install my device, but it's because that is an example. I wait that you don't don't be confused. You only need go to the part of the driver. So then actualize device, you need go to click on search software, you need go to click on or folder, you will go to click on browse. So you need going to click on Atmel, like let me close this fast. This driver works with Atmel, so we are going to need, so we need go to internet and install Atmel. Okay, so we return here, and we click again on actualize device, search, examine or browse Atmel lib, and accept. We click on next, and it says that I have installed the better drivers for my device. Okay, this is because I installed my drivers the other day. but that is the process. Click on right click on device, actualization, share, browse, go to the folder of admin folder. Sorry, it's folder, not carpeta, because carpeta is another thing. Carpet, because I have confused, and I have saying carpet, but the correct word is folder. You need to go to our folder of admin. Admin, where is admin? Oh my god. Oh, here is admin. On file program, x88 88, because I have a computer of 74 bits. Okay, we click on admin, then we click on drive. No, okay, automatically we're going to have open the folder of drivers. Then we click on leave, accept, and accept. Okay guys, well, that's all. If you like this video, you can share it. You can like it, of course. So thank you very much.